Good day, grade fours. I'd like to thank you all for your hard work, for all the work you've done during lockdown. And when we return, welcome to our very first Term 3 social science lesson. And we will be learning about people and food. I cannot wait to see how beautiful your decorations look. Food and people. Food is an important part of our everyday life. It gives us energy and helps us to grow and keeps us healthy. Have you ever wondered where your food comes from? That's what we're going to be learning about today. I have put together different foods that you see or eat each and every day. I have here a cabbage, a slice of cheese, milk, sausage, carrot, meat, butter, and a bowl of fruit. And I would like you to think of all these foods that I've given you and try and think where they come from. Do you know which food comes from plant and which food comes from an animal? Sometimes it can be difficult to decide, but that's what today is going to be about. Your first activity is you having to look at these foods I've given you and deciding if they come from plants or animals. Look at the pictures and sort the different foods into one of the two groups. Copy the table below. Okay, so you're going to copy this table into your SS geography books, and this you're going to write activity 1, and these pictures will be, the picture will be projected on the board, and you can sort the foods into their correct group. Once this is done, we're going to go through this homework together. Your homework is on page 47 of your SS Platinum textbook, and there are photographs given to you on page 46. It's quite a lot of photographs, and that's why this is part of homework. I know that some of you are going to start in class, but you will not be able to finish in class because there are about 13 foods given to you and a list of instructions. Activity 1, the heading is look at the photographs. Number 1 says, with a partner, look at the foods on this page. Due to social distancing, you cannot look at these with your partner, but if you have siblings at home, you can look at the pictures with your siblings or your mom, your aunt. It doesn't matter. Otherwise, we can go through each and every foods before you go home, just to ease you and to help you ease up and find the activity quite simple to complete. Number 1A says, list all the foods you can see. Please list the foods going down. Okay. I know that my girls will be writing different foods in different colors. I really don't mind. Just don't, if you can even skip a line just to make your work look really, really neat. B says, on your list, put a cross next to the foods that come from plants. So you're going to use one of your favorite colors to put a cross next to each foods that come from plants. C is another instruction, and they say, on your list, tick the foods that are fresh. So that means these foods are uncooked. You're going to put a tick there. D says, make stars next to the 4 foods that you like the most. Okay, so you can use a favorite color there and put stars on 4 foods that you like the most. Number 2 says, with your class, talk about where each of the foods on the list come from. For example, cheese is made from milk, which comes from a cow. So when we do corrections on your return on Wednesday, we will talk about this. So as we name the foods, we will unpack if it comes from an animal or a plant. Now, this activity is not as simple as the one that you just completed, because there's also pictures of like your burger, and we all know that your burger has a patty, which is meat, and it's also got your lettuce and your tomato, and the bun itself is made from dough. So it's not as easy as you think it is. There's a lot of thinking that you need to do. Okay, but I trust in you, I believe in you, and I know that you're smart, and I know that you will put down the answers which you think are correct. Okay, and please don't leave anything blank because you're not sure. Rather put down what you think is correct, and when we do corrections, you'll get all your clarity. Okay, beautiful children. Thank you for sticking around. And remember, be kind, be respectful, and stay safe.